Second example, let us show the algorithm to divide 24 with 5. In this case, we should get 4 as quotient and also 4 as remainder. So we still have register M, register A, and Q. In register M, we put the divisor, in this case is 5, 1, 0, 1, and then 6 more 0. Register A is initialized to 0. Register Q will be given the value of dividend 24, which is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Let me remind again, we are doing a 5-bit division. So register Q will have 5-bit register, but register A and M both will have 1 extra bit for sign bit. So this is the initialization. First iteration, we shift. So the first bit 1 in Q will go to the LSB in A. We get a 1 in A. Q is left with 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, we subtract 1 with 5. Definitely cannot. So we should expect a negative value here. Use a calculator. Then you should get 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Register Q is unchanged. So it's negative. Revert. And then we put a 0 in the LSB of Q. So this is iteration 1. Iteration 2. Shift first. Now both the 1 bits will go to the LSB of A. So A is getting a 3. Q become all 0. So 3 subtract 5 still will give us a negative, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So we revert because it is negative. We have not collected enough number of bits yet to become larger than 5. And then we keep LSB of Q with 0. Iteration 3. We shift first. So register A will have 6 now. So 6 subtract with 5, you will get a 1, a positive 1. So since it is positive, we keep this one. And the LSB of Q now we set to 1. That is iteration 3. Iteration 4. We start with the shift. So now register A is having a 2. If we subtract with 5 in register M, we will get a negative, which is, if you use calculator, you will get double one and 0, 1. So we have to revert. Then the LSB of register Q also will be reset to 0. That is for iteration 4. Iteration 5, we shift first, we get a 4 in A and also a 4 in Q. 4 subtract with 5, you will get -1, which is all ones in 2's complement. So it's negative, you have to revert back to 4. The LSB of Q also will be reset to 0. So that is it for iteration 5. So we have a 4 in remainder and also a 4 in quotient. The answer is correct.